I have a question for you. What's the fastest miles per hour you've driven this motorcycle?
200.
200.
How many miles?
Put it back on, we'll try it again. Okay, we gotta wait. Back up a little more, Jason. What did I say?
Middle. Make sure. Positive. Go get it. Hold up. Go get him. Hurry up. Run. Faster. Yeah. That way we need to be done, and we have the extra room for that, yeah, you know? That's got to shake it off, though. What's going on, Brad? Yeah, we ready, baby. See? I see anything. Uh-huh. So look at this is a veteran. What's up, big man? Oh, there she is. That's what you want, baby. There you go. Yeah. Yeah, she good, man. She's good. I'm ready to get this big word.
That's great, man.
Yeah.
Hey, man, and it's all about the kids, man. Yes, it is. It's all about the kids, not about us. It's a pleasure to be part of it. I mean, I really appreciate all you guys. You guys make it happen. Amen? Amen. Really, give it something. Each one of us hearts. We thank you for the men that sacrifice money, time, effort, energy to come out to see this come to fruition, Lord. To see that we help the next generation. Show them.
Tent bag. These bags that you put your tents in, put them inside your tents. Just in case it rains or they're not all out there, you got water all in them, put them inside your tent when you get a chance. Just take the tent bags. Cheers, wake up. Anybody need to catch up? Yes. Yeah, I grabbed one. Yeah, Sonny, I was going to do my hand out. Logic. Come here, bro.
Max, calm down. Okay.
Good tracks in here? Good tracks in here?
He was like, he was inside there.
Yeah, you were. What are you looking for?
That was pretty good last night. And the guy went in there and he's like, what do you think you're doing? And he's like, this paper says that you can't come on this property. Took the guy's truck and drove off with it and they beat him down. Watch
You ever see that movie called Bicentennial Man? I heard of it with Robin Williams. They both died the same exact time.
That's not the one.
Why you ain't seen that eating your food? You never think about it until I done.
It's open air. He's getting to relax a little bit. You guys want to go? You ready, Teddy? Does the light help wake us up? The light help wake us up? We're good. Come on. Huh? Yeah.
I'm like that guy that took his kids out to 3 miles off the trail. To be fair, too, man. He's in disguise, too, man. He used to be able to jump out.
I'm on the wrong spot.
I used to be decent.
Yeah, I know. You know, I used to play it in college.
Oh, did you?
Yeah, I played it in college.
Yeah, these records.
This is how you do it.
Oh, good.
Dang. Okay, that's lose one for me.
Oh yeah. Coffee man, huh?
Yeah. Brother doing some coffee.
You're acting like you're gonna rip into that. You don't have to. It's your fingertips. It's all finesse. You can't hold it with that. Once you get it set, right next to your eye. And then when you think you got the bullseye, release. Don't move your hand off your face. Bring it down. Down. Get it. Go get the arrows that were lost. What's going on with it? So what I've been doing is getting right behind it a little bit. Arrow to go straight into that yellow area, okay? Go. Okay, you want to shoot? Sure do. Put the arrow right in the middle, where you think
Just
it is.
open the sheet.
Go.
It should be the first two sheets you see.
It went
in
right
there.
up to the side.
The
And you were,
first few. Yeah, look in one of them. It has the time. It has the time in there.
I like so. I like this. Wrap it up tight so you can get to that trigger, okay?
That's what I said, hold your breath, let it go. And you did it. Yellow. Go get your ass, bro.
Mike.
Well, I started becoming a Dallas fan when it was like a playoff thing.
When you were ready, get your ass.
You remember when McNabb, they were there versus Dallas, and McNabb had the ball, and he goes to throw it, and it got intercepted, Dallas got it, and then one guy came in.
Pick up some more. Pick up behind, guys. Yo,
They
guys, come
have
back.
it, I mean,
Come back.
Right here.
they won.
When he's doing
they won
this way.
division. He goes to Dallas.
And let it keep you still, and then let it go. It's too high. There you go. And you went,
Jimmy Jerome got hurt. There was a guy.
You know what's happening.
Watch out.
oh, man, that's a good shot.
Oh. Yeah. Good as the best one out here.
Hey, you know.
Yellow.
Bam, look at you.
You got this way, go run down, kill him. You all right?
Kill it.
This is my brother right here.
Ah, good shot, man. There you go. All right, we got a flash. We got a flash.
Yeah, see, last night you started it with, you see all that, really good.
Stop putting your finger up there, bro. You gotta stop doing it. Go hit your finger. Why would you put your leg in your finger? Take a deep breath and let go.
We're not taking a deep breath, man. We're just
It's okay.
It's right here.
right here.
Thank you. Now you do it. Great trade.
Well, yeah, look.
I had to adjust. Everything's going that direction.
Brother Doug.
I'm gonna put it back over there, and anybody that want to take pictures, feel free to take pictures. It's all good.
How many horsepower?
This one here, 175. That's my little motor.
Yeah, what?
I have a question for you. What's the fastest miles per hour you've driven this motorcycle?
200.
200.
How many miles was it?
And was that in what part of the miles?
That's amazing.
Quarter.
Would I be able to
Quarter mile. Dead
That's what
stand,
I
still
thought.
start.
That's what I thought, but I decided to say mile. What the heck?
Okay, why is there soda bottle in there?
Because that is what I use for an overflow, just in case I have an oil malfunction. It'll flow in there and not on my tire. Okay? So how many parts is it? 1,000. It's 1,000.
I'm trying to give you
My son, he's going to be a, he loves sports, this guy
Center, he says, how can he see that and walk around and slam the door and walk away? Go home. Oh, Dad, I gotta talk to you about what I saw you.
Yeah, what was this? I love this story. Yeah, I like this story.
All right, so listen up,
Still gonna do the archery in the morning. It's supposed to be nice tomorrow. Listen. But I was in my tent and it's a wash.